Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make authentic enchiladas. We'll start by exploring the foundational elements of a truly delicious enchilada. This guide will walk you through selecting the right ingredients, crafting a rich, flavorful sauce from scratch, and preparing your fillings and tortillas with care. You'll also learn the best techniques for assembling and baking your enchiladas to achieve that perfect, bubbly, golden brown finish. Get ready to create a memorable meal. The heart of any authentic enchilada is its sauce, and we begin with dried chilies such as ancho and guajillo for unparalleled depth. Lightly toast these chilies, then rehydrate them in hot water for about 20 minutes until softened. Blend them with aromatic garlic, onion, and a selection of traditional spices. Finally, simmer your sauce for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen into a rich, velvety consistency. Next, let's prepare our fillings and tortillas. You can select classic options like shredded chicken, seasoned ground beef, or a simple blend of cheeses. The key to successful rolling is pliable tortillas. Gently warm your corn tortillas in a little oil or broth for a few seconds on each side. Then, dip each warmed tortilla into your delicious enchilada sauce before adding your chosen filling. This prevents cracking and infuses more flavor. Now for the exciting part. Assembly and baking. Place about 2 tablespoons of your chosen filling down the center of each sauce tortilla. Roll them up tightly and arrange them seam side down in a baking dish. Once all enchiladas are in place, generously pour any remaining sauce over them. Bake your enchiladas at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 minutes until bubbly and heated through.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.